Good morning, guys. How's it going? Yes, back again. We got the trans mount to yesterday, not today, yesterday. Basically, we're gonna get that started. Car is coming to a close, basically. I know April 2nd is right around the corner. Today is March 14th. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, March 14th. So basically it's St. Patty's Day, let's just put it that way. But yes, we are close to the due date. Good news is that the hydro mount plaque actually came in already, so hopefully by this week we can start working on the video. I can hit up my friend Paco again, so we can try to tack weld it and mount the hydro, bleed it out, and maybe give it a test drive if we can. But I really don't want to mess with it till GLD, so I don't know, we'll see what we do with that. But as far as the trans mount, that's what's gonna get done today. Like I said, I'm just got the plaque not that long ago as well too, so we're probably gonna shoot for this weekend, if not for next weekend. But I'm really thinking that we will get it done before April 2nd, which should be pretty good. You know, that way I can try to learn how to use the hydro. First time using it. You know, I've been using the e-brake, but e-brake on these really don't lock up. I don't know why, you know. But essentially, I want to try to keep the e-brake because I do daily this, which is crazy. Winter was fun, I'll tell you that much. But we'll see what I do after that point. You know, I still want to do the bride seat, guys. You know, I've been saying that for a minute, but I mean, priorities first. So, you know, trans, hydro, brake lines, everything else, you know, to get the car moving. Like I said, the bride seat's only going to be for my passenger side. But other than that, guys, let's get to it. You know, we'll see what happens. All right, bye. Alright, guys, so we just got it out. As you saw, I kind of made the mistake that, you know, I didn't know there's a hole so I can get the bolts out. So I was using a wrench, 12 point, kind of stripped it, so yeah, I had to get the extractor out. But luckily, you know, it came out like nothing. So this is basically what it looks now. You know, I already mounted it and stuff, so now I just got to put these bolts like this, basically tighten it up. I'm gonna use some thread lock a little bit, you know, just so that way it doesn't come out or anything. But I mean, basically we're almost literally done. I'm just gonna put those bolts on and then just put the 4 bolts that hold the whole entire bracket up. Then we're basically done. So keep watching. We're gonna continue. All right, thanks. you guys want to take a look at it. That's it right there. It's all bolted down. Put some thread lock. Give me a second, let me get out of here just so I can talk to you guys real good. Hold on 1 second. Alright guys, that's much better. So got it done. It's all bolted on, good, snug, tight actually. It's all good. Hey guys, sorry about that. Battery literally died out in the middle. But again guys, so we finished, like I said, we bolted on, we put it on. It's good. You know, I just literally took it out of the garage. Less movement on the shifter, you know, you feel it, like you really do feel that solidness. But again guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate this again guys, I really do, and I keep telling you guys, but you know, I really do mean it. I really appreciate you guys supporting, watching the videos and stuff like that, giving me your opinions. But again guys, I really hope to see you guys April 2nd. Like I said, I'm gonna be over there at GLD, so let me know. All right, thanks guys, check you later, bye.